ఇప్పుడు మన జిల్లా పరిషత్ ఉన్నత పాఠశాల మల్లారెడ్డిపేటను ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. ఇదే మన జిల్లా పరిషత్ ఉన్నత పాఠశాల మల్లారెడ్డిపేట.
Good afternoon everybody. The theme of today's Bala Sabha is water. Water is the pure gift of the nature. It gives life to the earth, beauty to the nature, and it is the need for all the living things.
We need water for every single day and for every single purpose in our life. We need to make it our personal responsibility to save water daily. Small acts like not letting the tap running while washing your face, brushing your teeth, fixing the leaks quickly, constructing the soak pits in our households will give you big result.
Shita studying 9th class. She is Lakshmi studying 9th class. She is Srinika studying 9th class. Today we are participating in a debate in water conservation at our school, ZPHS Malaredipet. Water is a needy element for all living beings on earth, but 97% of water is present as marine water, which is not useful for our daily activities. The remaining 3% is fresh water, which is useful to as our daily activities. Out of these 3% fresh water, 2% present in all form of ice in polar regions, Himalayas, etc. The only 1% of water available for all daily needs, so that water is too short and precious. So we must be responsible to save it. The first question. For this, we have to start water conservation at our school level as well as village level. Moreover, we can develop awareness among on society on water conservation. Now the debate is between Lakshmi and Srinika.
I am Lakshmi. I am studying 9th class. We have plenty of water sources like Mane River, two big lakes, GB water around us. So we don't need to conserve water. For agriculture fields, we have borewells, lake waters, river waters for irrigation. So we don't know so we don't need to drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, water percolation, setting pits, rainwater harvesting. In our school, also maintain rainwater harvesting, percolation pits are not need. We can use so much for water wash, hand washing and toilets. We can also water plants with buckets and grows. I finally concluded we no need to waste our time and money to water conservation.
I am Srinika, studying 9th class. Even we have plenty of water, we must follow the water conservation methods. So many people in the world, uh, facing water crisis. These water sources are transferred to our future generations. Water is a natural source, so we must conserve it. For future generations, we must follow the drip irrigation for water tanks and discriminate the usage of water for hand wash and toilets. We must follow rainwater harvesting. Used water must be sent into water percolation pits. In agricultural fields, also our village farmers must follow the drip and sprinkler irrigation methods. We should not dig borewells indiscriminately. Ultimately, water conservation methods leads to conser- conservation of groundwater. Lakshmi are completely wrong. To recharge the groundwater and for future generations, we must follow the water conservation methods.
Srinika, I am reliable. I am agree with you. I also follow the water conservation methods. Thank you. Thank you, one another.